recent recommendation from a good friend of mine who has fond memories having grown up in a little West African country called Côte d'Ivoire, or Ivory Coast. I'm cooking sauce Graine, which is a palm nut based surf and turf stew. Diedrich, this one's for you. Let's get to it. Use a melange of vegetables. Select at least 2 types of meat. The main ingredient is palm nut cream concentrate. Palm oil has been consumed in West Africa for over 5,000 years. It's high in beta-carotene, vitamin K, vitamin E, and the good fats. Add water and simmer for 30 minutes as shown. Skim off some of the red oil as it floats to the top. Meanwhile, salt and pepper the chicken and broil on high for about 13 minutes. Then cut up the eggplant and okra into bite-sized pieces, peel the ginger. You know what to do. Here I'm using a whole barramundi fish cut into bite-sized pieces. Remove the bones if you need to. The beef also needs bite-sized pieces, then brown in butter for about 5 minutes. Add all the meats into the large pot. Then put the palm cream through a strainer directly in the pot. And in no particular order, add the rest of the ingredients into the pot. Then add enough homemade stock or water to cover the whole ensemble. Grate the ginger and remember to keep the onions and tomatoes whole. They will simmer for 20 minutes and then be removed. Scoop out the tomatoes and onions when they're soft enough, then puree in a blender with fresh garlic and some chilies. Then add back into the main pot. Throw in some more chilies and garlic, then simmer for 30 minutes. After about 15 minutes, skim off some of the red oil that forms. It's okay to leave some in. Alright, moment of truth, number 1. It's a little hot.
It's good. Really hot.
Wonderful. You like it too, buddy? Okay. Moment of truth, number 2. Daddy's portion. Jesus Christ. I've never had anything wow. Never had anything that good.
Ozzy likes it too.
Avoir mon avis. What? Okay. Pardon. I absolutely love that dish. The variety of vegetables and meats, exquisite. It's a taste of West Africa, Côte d'Ivoire. Anyway, tonight I'm going to finish with an Avo Fogata cigar and a Jameson Standard Caskmates. Keep cooking. Until next time, au revoir mon ami. Sorry if I butchered that.